Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is essential for heart health and overall well-being. While medications can help, making dietary changes is often a crucial part of managing cholesterol. Including various vegetables in your diet can be an effective way to naturally lower cholesterol levels. Here are 7 vegetables known for their cholesterol-lowering properties. 1. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and plant sterols. It's these plant sterols that can help reduce the absorption of cholesterol in your digestive tract. Furthermore, the fiber in broccoli helps bind to cholesterol and carry it out of the body. 2. Spinach. This leafy green is not only delicious but also highly nutritious. It is rich in lutein, a plant compound that can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Spinach is also an excellent source of fiber, which aids in reducing cholesterol levels and promoting heart health. 3. Kale. Another leafy green, kale is a nutritional powerhouse. It contains high levels of fiber and antioxidants, which can help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, kale provides plant sterols, which have been linked to improved heart health. 4. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are cruciferous vegetables that are known for their heart-healthy properties. They are high in fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. Regular consumption of Brussels sprouts can help lower cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. 5. Carrots. Carrots are a versatile and colorful addition to your diet. They are rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL cholesterol levels by reducing cholesterol absorption in the body. Additionally, carrots are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that promote overall health. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also good for your heart. They are high in fiber and contain beta-carotene, an antioxidant that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also have a lower glycemic index compared to regular potatoes, making them a better choice for blood sugar control. 7. Garlic. While garlic is not a vegetable, it deserves a special mention for its remarkable heart protective properties. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound that can lower cholesterol levels. It also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which contribute to heart health. Adding garlic to your meals can not only enhance the flavor but also promote a healthier heart. To make the most of these cholesterol-lowering vegetables, consider incorporating them into your daily meals. You can enjoy them in salads, stir-fries, smoothies, or as side dishes. A diet rich in these vegetables, along with other heart-healthy habits like regular exercise and managing your weight, can significantly improve your cholesterol profile. It's important to note that while these vegetables can be beneficial for cholesterol management, a balanced diet and lifestyle are crucial. Reducing the consumption of saturated and trans fats, processed foods, and added sugars is equally important. If you have high cholesterol or any underlying health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance and to determine the best approach for managing your cholesterol levels. In conclusion, nature provides us with an array of delicious and nutritious vegetables that can contribute to better heart health and lower cholesterol levels. By incorporating these 7 vegetables into your diet, you can take a positive step toward maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Remember that small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being.